Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for everything on two wheels. Whether you're into cruisers, sport bikes, scooters, or electric rides, this is where we dive into the machines that move us. If you're new here, this is Motor Heaven, and on this channel, we cover bikes, gear, reviews, comparisons, and all the things that keep the motorcycle and scooter world buzzing. So, if you love the thrill of the throttle, even if it's just a twist and go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single ride. Now, let's talk scooters. These machines have exploded in popularity in the US, and it's no surprise why. With gas prices bouncing all over the place, crazy city traffic, and more people wanting eco-friendly options that are still fun and affordable, scooters are becoming the perfect solution. The US scooter scene used to be kind of quiet, but in 2025, things have changed big time. We've got premium electric models, sporty commuters, and rugged little beasts that can handle more than just pavement. So today, we're counting down the top scooters in the US for 2025, based on performance, features, value, and most importantly, how much fun they are to ride. Let's gear up and dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5, the Yamaha Zuma 125. Don't let the rugged looks fool you. This scooter is built for urban adventure. With a fuel-injected 125 cubic centimeter engine, the Zuma offers a great balance of power and efficiency. It's got dual sport tires, a solid telescopic fork, and aggressive styling that makes it perfect for city streets, and some light off-roading. And with Yamaha's rock-solid reliability, you know it's built to last. At around $3,800, this thing is one of the best bang-for-your-buck scooters out there. At number 4, we've got a timeless classic, the Vespa Primavera 150. Stylish, iconic, and smooth as ever, the Primavera continues to be the scooter of choice for riders who want performance and elegance. With a 150cc engine, ABS, LED lighting, and a slick digital display, it brings vintage charm into the modern era. It's not that cheapest, starting around $5,800, but you're paying for that legendary Vespa design and premium feel. Coming in at number 3, the Honda ADV 160. This isn't your average city scoot. It's like a scooter, and an adventure bike had a baby. And it's awesome. The ADV 160 brings a rugged suspension, a taller stance, and just enough off-road attitude to make city potholes feel like nothing. With a 157 cubic centimeter engine, Honda's smart key system, a windscreen, and solid underseat storage, you get both comfort and capability. Priced around $4,500, this one's for the riders who want a bit of adventure in their daily commute. At number 2, say hello to the future, the NIUMQ IGTEVO. Fully electric, super sleek, and packed with tech. This scooter hits up to 60 miles per hour and delivers about 45 miles of range on a single charge. It's got a full-color digital display, GPS tracking, smartphone app support, anti-theft alerts, and even cruise control. Priced around $4,700, the EVO is one of the smartest electric scooters you can get right now in the US. Plus, it's whisper quiet. And in the number 1 spot, the Honda PCX 160. This scooter is the gold standard for practical, affordable commuting. With a 156 cubic centimeter engine, an automatic continuously variable transmission, and ultra-smooth handling, it's everything a city rider could want. You'll get nearly 100 miles per gallon, room under the seat for a full-face helmet, And that signature Honda reliability. At just $4,200, the PCX 160 doesn't try to be flashy, but it nails the basics perfectly. That's why it leads the ride in 2025. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for picking the right scooter for you. Engine size. Go with 50cc for short trips. 125 to 160 cubic centimeters is better for longer commutes. Storage. Make sure you've got space for your gear or helmet. Fuel versus electric. Electric is low maintenance and great for the city, but gas still wins for range and convenience. Tech and safety. ABS, LED lights, smartphone integration. These aren't just cool features. They can actually make your ride safer and easier. And that's it for our list of the top scooters in the US for 2025. Which one would you ride? Did your favorite make the cut? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and join the ride. We've got more two-wheeled content coming your way. Until next time, stay safe, ride smart, and keep the throttle twisted.